So this is my first time using Google My Maps, and I actually did it on a trip that I will be taking soon to San Diego. So I kept it where I live, and then I'm going to be going to San Diego. So I started off and I did mine based off of layers, based off what I'm going to do day 1, day 2, and day 3. So I'm just kind of going to go through it, and then yeah. So I started off by starting at my house. From there, I know I'm going to need some things and I'm going to need to go to the mall. So after then, we're going to be going to Northridge Fashion Center. Then after about 10 or 11, I'm going to be getting hungry. So our most convenient or the most convenient place to go eat is In-N-Out Burger, which is really it's about half a mile away from the Northridge Fashion Center. And then from there, we're going to go catch the 405, which takes us all the way down to San Diego. But before we get there, we are going to stop by a Starbucks to kind of get a break and then also get something to drink to kind of wake us up along the road. From there, we plan on staying at Best Western. This is in downtown San Diego, which is kind of convenient because it's in the middle and in the heart of all of San Diego. So from there, we plan on seeing our a favorite artist, a favorite DJ that we like. So we plan on going to Omnia in San Diego. And then once the night comes, we're going to be going back to our hotel. So that's day 1. Day 2 will entail obviously starting off at Best Western, which is our hotel. And then I love eating P.F. Chang's, so we're going to be going to P.F. Chang's to have, brunch. And then we plan on going to the San Diego Zoo, where we're going to spend most of our day there. And then after, we will get hungry, so we'll be going to the Cheesecake Factory, which is also about half a mile away. And then we plan on just ending our day by going back to the hotel. Then day 3, we wake up early. It's time to check out of our hotel. So we're going to be catching the 405 back and heading back home. So yeah, I thought this was a really fun assignment. I think this is best used in the classroom for just in general, like, if you're talking about like continents or just the states in primary, this is definitely convenient for the students to see, where they are. And then also for, the younger ages, which I plan on teaching, for example, we can use it where teachers are able to kind of plan a field trip or just anything going on. So yeah,